today we're hanging out, WeHo Palace, on the side of the house, just chilling. And I really kind of wanted to point it out. George is here again. Hi, George.
I'm here. How you doing, y'all?
And
hanging out.
Brady and I are very impressed, George. You are hanging out by trash.
I like trash now. It's my
actually
new thing.
leaning on it.
Our trash, extra dirty trash.
I'm not so bothered by it. You know, it's not as bad as Charlie Cobb's place used to be. This is quite
tame
compared. Yeah.
His place was disgusting.
Charlie
Even
Cobb
I
is
thought
nuts.
it was gross.
Yeah, it is gross.
Even I thought it was gross. Do you remember when we were there when Shauna Simon was recording her album?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, dude, Lays. Awesome.
Yeah, Shauna Simon, because I was pitching him my my rap trumpet duet sort of thing.
Yeah.
Here. You want to hear it?
Stop. He is so good at the
Really?
trumpet.
Yeah. That's what I hear. That's what I
Really
hear.
Yeah, not too bad.
And Charlie Cobb. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
So Jennifer Hanover was like in the bathroom because she was so bored with what was going on. It was just so boring for her. So Charlie Cobb comes running down the stairs. He's like, "Where's Jennifer?" He's like knocking on the door.
Trying to stop her
talking
from doing
about Charlie
drugs.
Cobb again?
Yes. He was trying not to do drugs. That was the whole thing.
Whatever.
Dude, she was in there snorting bags of coke, and he was like,
What?
"Don't do this shit."
Dude,
in my house."
I know Charlie. Charlie was not trying to
There's
stop
some
it.
kick-ass
He went
parties
in
you
there,
guys are
he
having.
He knocked on the door. He wanted to get an A because he wanted to totally like hit that. But do you remember he couldn't even open the doorknob and he asked for your help and you
I
had
know.
to use your sleeve because you don't germs.
Of
There's
course, it's
too
the
many people are
bathroom.
here. There's 37 people in one room. If everyone goes to the bathroom, they've each touched it
Hey, does
37
anybody want
times
to
on
go
the
grab
way
some
in.
lunch?
37 times on the way
Brady,
out.
You're killing me. You're killing me. Because you know there are
George,
germs on the bathroom door. You know
Dude,
there are.
it might be germy, but seriously, who licks their palm anyway?
Yeah, exactly. So
I'm impressed that you're totally touching the
Yes.
trash.
Okay. Cool. I'm gonna
Yeah,
do
I
that's-
that.
wonder how
It's cool.
Jennifer Hanover's doing.
She's probably
You
in
should
rehab.
meet this chick.
Yeah.
Really, she
Yeah.
probably is, right?
I would guess so.
should.
What do you think?
I don't know, because I don't know what you guys are talking about.
talking about Jennifer
I've never
Hanover.
been
Charlie
to Charlie
Cobb.
Cobb's house.
You've never been to Charlie's?
Man,
No!
He has the biggest
Wow!
house.
Is that so amazing that I've never been to Charlie's
We
house?
should go over there. Hey, let's go over there and have Michaela cook us some lunch. What do you think?
Let's go have lunch at Fred 62.
Ooh, can I come?
You want to come?
Yeah.
Can I come?
Come with us.
But let's
I
just...
call it Fred 56s though, because 62.
Ooh, I know
It sounds
why. I
better.
know why you
You
called
know-
it
you know
Fred
why.
56
This
because
girl
of that chick. She was crazy. She like lost her mind though.
Oh,
Oh, Michaela, let me get down.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
come on.
Thank you. Oh, George, you
Hey!
George, you watch
Oh,
yourself.
goodness.
Come on,
Come
I'm
on, let's go
starved.
lunch. Come on.